Welcome to my latest 3D printing project. Today, I'm creating a fun lighter gun, starting with slicing the design in the Bambu Lab slicer. Let's get started. Here's my setup: the Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer, a GoPro camera for capturing the time lapse, and a lamp to keep things clear and visible. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini works its magic, printing the gun first. You can see the time lapse as it brings the design to life with precision and speed. Once the printing is done, I remove the supports carefully to clean up the design. Next, I print the trigger to complete the lighter gun setup. Now for the fun part, assembling the pieces. I place a lighter into the gun, secure it, and press the trigger to see it in action. It works perfectly. This project is purely for fun, and we do not promote smoking in any way. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting 3D printing projects.